In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Docs starting from a specific page. Whether you're a student formatting a thesis with a title page or a professional creating a report that needs a cover sheet, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. The first and most important step is creating a section break, which allows different formatting in different parts of your document. Place your cursor at the very end of the page that comes before the page where you want your numbering to start. Now go to the Insert menu in the top toolbar. From the drop-down, hover over Break. In the sub-menu that appears, select Section Break, next page. This command inserts the break and creates a new independent section for your numbering. Next, scroll down to the first page of your new section, double-click in the top margin to open the header editor. You will now be able to add and format your page numbers for this specific section of the document without affecting the previous pages. First, we'll add page numbers to the entire document. Go to the Insert menu, hover over Page Elements, then Page Numbers, and select a placement style. You'll see numbers appear on all pages. Now, scroll to the header of your second section. You'll see an option that says Link to Previous, which is checked by default. This is the most critical step. Click to uncheck this box. This ensures the header in your new section is independent from the first section. Now that the sections are unlinked, scroll back up to the header in the very first section of your document. Select the page number and simply press the Delete or Backspace key to remove it. Because the sections are no longer linked, this action will only remove the page number from the first section, leaving the numbering in the second section intact. Finally, let's ensure the numbering in our new section starts correctly. Go to the header in section 2. The number there is likely incorrect, continuing the count from the beginning of the document. To fix this, select the page number, then navigate back to the Insert menu, Page Numbers, and this time click More Options. In the window that opens, select the Start At option and set the number to 1. Click Apply, and you'll see the page number update. The first section now has no page number, and the second section starts at 1 and continues sequentially. And there you have it. You've successfully added page numbers starting from a specific page in your Google Doc. You can now have unnumbered title pages while keeping the main body of your document perfectly organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.